Hi everybody and welcome back. We are at the Raymond Terrace men's shed today, having a bit of a look around here. My lovely stepfather John has invited us along to show us what happens here. John, welcome to Operation Zag, mate. And can you tell us a little bit about the Raymond Terrace men's shed? When did it begin?
Okay, this is its 10th year in operation, and we've been in this new building for 3 years. We've got 135 members who attend here regularly between Monday and Thursday. We've moved up here 3 years ago, and we're looking forward to our 10th year anniversary, where we're going to put on a few celebrations. Yes.
Fantastic. Well, that sounds pretty good. So what prompted the move to this location?
Okay, well, as our membership grew, the original shed was too small, and we approached the council, and the Lord Mayor was on our side, and a local developer put a lot of money towards this shed and helped the council to build it.
Oh, that's great. So a lot of community and also local government support for this project. Like, they're taking off all over Australia, which is absolutely fantastic.
Just to interrupt, Joe, as far as the men's sheds go, we have more men's sheds in Australia than you've got McDonald's restaurants.
Well, that's a good thing, I think, definitely. Yeah. Now, can you tell me what sort of activities and what sort of things happen here at the men's shed?
All right. Well, apart from a lot of ribbing, we have a lot of groups. So we have woodworkers who make furniture, and then we've got our toy makers, of which I'm a member. We make the toys for the kids and we sell them in our markets and so forth. We have a card group who just come in and play cards. We have a technology group who come in and use the computers and teach others how to use the computers and mobile phones. We've got our wood turners, which I'm also a member of, who make all the bowls and plates and so forth. And we've got a metal group who actually do steel metal work.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and a fishing group, sorry.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So do you need to have skills to come along, or can you come on as a total newbie and learn the skills as you go?
Okay, I came along as an expert in how to bend nails.
Oh, right.
Because I couldn't drive one straight. But I've now learnt how to make toys, how to use a lathe. So what happens is people with skills are here and they teach the ones that can't. And so it's a passing down of knowledge and skill.
So you've got mentors and sort of paying it forward and things like that. Okay.
So.
All right. So with the things that you make and the things that you do, do you give those away or sell them? How does that work?
Okay. We do donate a lot to the Salvation Army. Charity will come and ask us, we help them out with a raffle or a prize for the raffle. The other stuff that we do make, we take orders from the people who ring us up and say, can you make me this or make me something else? Our toys and other goods are sold at markets. We have a market at Medowie once a month, and we go to Bunnings Sausage Sizzle once a month as well, so we sell our goods there. Just prior to Christmas, we had a shop donated to us down in the old shopping centre, and we were there for 30 days. 30 days, yes, and we raised $24,000 just selling our toys and goods. We've now been given a shop across the road in the other shopping centre, which we start on the 1st of February, and we'll be doing exactly the same thing there, but we're going to be doing exhibitions. So you'll have people down there with a lathe making pens. You'll have people down there making bowls. You'll have people down there making toys. So the idea is to bring the public in and they can see what we do. Yep.
Oh, that's fantastic. Well, that's a great segue. How about we go in and let's see what you do?
No problem.
All right, fantastic. Cheers. Welcome back. Well, that was a really wonderful experience having a walk through the Raymond Terrace men's shed here. John, thank you very much for taking us around. Can you tell us what's coming up for the men's shed? What special events have you got coming up?
We do have a tour coming up with our band. The idea is that our band, with a few roadies, including myself, will be touring the country areas that have been affected by fire, drought, and we'll be going around advertising Australian Men's Shed Week in September, together with men's health in those areas. So we've got the assistance of the schools who will be participating in our concerts, and we've also got the local health people on board. So we'll be having a barbecue, sausage sizzle for the before the concert. Then our band will be putting on a concert in each of those towns. We'll be spending money in those towns to help them with their economy. And we've got Pixie Jenkins, who's a well-known violinist, rock star if you like.
Oh, right.
He's coming along, he's donated his services for free. So it's a very worthwhile project and something we're really looking forward to.
Oh, that's fantastic, because not only is the men's shed great for the people that are here, but also around Australia for positive mental health, isn't it? Outcomes where everyone has a sense of community. That's a wonderful thing. And John, thank you very much for having us. And hope everything goes well into the future.
Thank you so much.
Good on you, mate.